me already dressed on my way to go to Obudu Cattle Ranch, also known as Obudu Mountain Resort. This is us on the way. I could not do the video of how the way looked like, but I did it when we were coming back. Yes, because I sat down at the back, so we already got into bottom E.
Cameroon
road like this. This Cameroon road.
And this road leads to Cameroon. The road is like a snake-like road. It's also called now. I've seen this kind of road only in Korean movies, but I get to see it in real life. Yeah, don't worry, you see it at the end of the video when we were coming out. So I had to give someone my phone to video it from see the roads. We are covering it like this. Wow.
Yeah, already rush.
Yeah.
It's raining, guys. This is ranch. Mossy tree. My co-corporate. This is our driver that drove us. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hello, guys. Yeah, today we are in ranch. We came to Obudu Cattle Ranch to come under our excursion with my co-corporate. So we just got here now. So this is how the reception side is. The environment. And it's raining, so I don't know if we'll be able to enjoy our excursion today. But anyhow, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your loved ones. And thank you for always watching my videos, even when I was not online. Thank you, guys. Subscribe. This is the reception. Guys, this is the entrance. Yeah. Look at this big bull. Sorry, yo. Yeah, reflection of light. This is the wow. Look at this. Guys, this is Obudu Cattle Ranch. Wow. This is another segment. Wow. Amazing. How do you feel? You feel cold? I feel cold. Wow. The other area. Wow. Look at all. In this place, there is network, there's browser network. So we could browse today. Look at the road. Look at like from one hill to another. Last week. Wow, that is the road fast to this place. The road is somehow. Wow. Very nice. We are going to see the cable. We are going to see the cable.
Oh yeah, it's on our channel, Tanga YouTube channel.
Wow. See my co-couples. Khalid. This is Copper Mary.
Wow. Yeah, I'm the baby of the house. This is the people, but said it's not functioning. Wow, to the side. It's raining, guys. Like it's cool. Everybody dressed like we're in Canada. The cold is too much. We're in Canada. Everywhere is cold. This is another place. Oof, there's cold. Oh my god, this place is high. Jesus. I cannot bear. Oh my god. Damn. Wow. How do we like wearing her words? You love me so much. Now they call me last, but they call me baby of the house. I don't know why, but I'm enjoying the title. This is the Obudu cable car. That's why I showed you guys the other time. At the side. Hey. I saw a snap inside this place. Oh, that place is nice. This is the cable car. It does not work until November. Okay. The cable car is not working.
Now, what is getting deep now? Follow me.
Hello.
Yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down?
It's me and Couple Mary. She's very sorry, pizza. This is the way to the restroom. These gentlemen and these ladies. Wow, this is so nice, guys. Wow. Oh my god. Wow, this is nice. Wow. Obudu Mountain Reset.
Close your eyes for a minute. Close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. What is getting deep now? What is getting deep now? Follow me around. Yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down.
Look at you, like, shit. Play area golf.
Put it on the back, man. What's up, man?
Khalid, you're a clown.
United of America. This place is just cold, man. I tell you, try to feel, man. This cold. I'm not telling you, man. Food is very plenty here, man. Everybody is fucking hot. Everybody is cold, man.
Canada,
Yeah,
Canada.
Yeah, man.
Khalid is a clown. Seriously, you're a clown.
Oh no, he's a man, man. He's a yeah, man. Oh yeah, man.
It's okay now.
Yeah, man.
Are you fucking kidding me?
I can't get this thing in the camera. God, guys, the cold is too much. Oh, God. This is governor's lunch. This is. Ah, yeah, see. I don't know if you can see it, guys. don't know, like you, my God, this is very serious. At them at the back, Jesus, my God. You see, I'm not tired. I want the video. Look at Katsu. Have I go? Run my video. My YouTube people, they'll be watching me. You guys to subscribe. Even in this code, I'm still carrying my phone out to do video for you guys. You have to subscribe. It's wood, guys. Yes. Yes. Ita. Wow. American style.
Yes. It's the only AC. That means you won't see yourself because you don't get natural AC.
Nigeria.
So on Ita.
This are not the rain.
See, I'm really soaked. Like I'm soaked already.
August.
August go worse. AJ. Wow.
This one not a fun.
American beauty. American house with wood. Everlasting me. Say that his machine that used to screw. They screw it down. And you going to look like this forever. See the blanket. Seriously, this is an amazing place to be. Seriously, you really need to come here and see with your eyes. Like, this is amazing. Buildings are giving this Chinese vibe. Like, oh my god, like it really paid me. We could not visit a lot of places because of the rain and the cold. Yeah. I'm not guy try so. Listen, guys. Inside the rain, I'm still videoing. You guys should subscribe. Yeah. Yeah, guys, this is outside the presidential lodge, and these are my co-call members, my colleague, amazing people. Even in the cold, we could not allow the circumstance to hold us down. They were dancing, shedding off the cold away, and this is how the outside look like. If you go and get inside, you know that yes, this place is amazing. We were dancing, having fun. Oh, this place is nice. I call it residential lounge. Guys, I'm really feeling cold. That place is white. As in,
Be careful.
oh, very careful.
My people are going to fish point very soon. No, pull up.
Oh my god. Ooh, wow.
Before you do your video.
It's white. Like cloud. Oh yeah.
I will give a snap.
Yeah. Oh my god. This is too much. Oh my god, guys, I'm feeling cold. Ah, god. God is too much.
Yeah, we are good.
Oh my god.
Tell me this. Say this. Tell me that this. This. We are in Canada.
Inside where it's white. Oh my god. Oh my god, this food is too much. Look out. Oh more. I'm freezing out. Guys, I'm freezing out. I'm freezing out. Oh my god. Inside where it's white. Like gold. God is really great. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus. Please don't forget to subscribe. It came to where there's fire. Where is white, blank. Thank God for this fire. Kai. I'm going baile. We're enjoying fire. It's cutting like that. Fire. That's fire then. We are warming our body up. God, it's too much. I was warming my leg up around the fire, my both legs because it was so cold. Like all my body was cold. And other people, the rest of us had to just stay around the fire just to warm ourselves up. Copper Lawrence and Copper Ahmed were dancing. So everywhere is white. Oh my god. So everywhere is white. IJ. My god. God, cold guys. I don't know. It's somehow. So we left the resort already and we could not visit some area because of the rain, the canopy area, the swimming pool, so many places, waterfall because of the rain. So we had to leave, and I promised you guys the video of how the road looked like a snake, something like that. The roads are in between rocks, between mountains, and enjoy the view. There are other places we went to, we dropped on the road, so don't leave, watch to the very end and enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.
Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second. I won't change my mind. Water's getting deep now, water's getting deep now. Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down.
This is the entrance. They call this place Bottom Hill. This is Bottom Hill, guys. See rock.
Everybody fast now. Big day. Joy.
Get them.
Join them.
Alright guys, this is the end of my vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share to notifications. Thank you. Bye.